Now we go on to a game called The World's Worst. This is all 4 contestants who'd like to come forward and stand on this special step, the world's worst step. And you step forward just as you come up with examples of the world's worst person to sit next to on an aeroplane. And I'll buzz when I get the idea of what you do. Oh, there you go.
We're going to crash! We're going to crash! We're going to crash!
Let's see how long it takes to suck our boiled sweets.
I've been drinking with the pilot for hours.
Some guy's been drinking with me for hours.
Hey, you ever been to Cuba before?
I've got a tub of margarine in my bag.
Deodorant? No, I don't believe it.
I've got lots of margarine down my pants.
Poem number 80.
You know, I used to build these things.
Luck be a lady tonight, everybody!